Hey, what's up, TR family? It's Tristan Reacts with another video. This one is a request from at 65ALEF. And 65ALEF has requested we do another song from Pink Floyd. This is Delicate Sound of Thunder, remastered in 2019. And this is the song The Dogs of War. So I'm excited to hear this one. Please do me a favor, though. Let's make sure that we continue to support these artists, as that truly is the main thing we love to do. So please do me a favor, if you would, make sure you guys continue to do the amazing stuff you guys already do, buying their music, buying their merchandise, going to their concerts, whatever it is that you do. Please continue to do that, and then do me a huge favor. Please make sure you look down in that description area, as there's a ton of stuff down there, but more than anything, please make sure you click on that link to get you over to Pink Floyd's official YouTube channel. Go over to their channel, like, subscribe, and drop them a comment saying, hey, I saw you over on Tristan Reacts. That would be amazing. And to my TR, nope. And also one other thing while you're over there, please make sure you take a look through their channel to find, and one more thing, please make sure that you take the time to look through their channel, as I'm sure there's a ton of songs that you will like from them. And if you do, make sure you share those videos from their site also, so that way we know for sure you guys are absolutely helping them out too. And I appreciate you for doing that. And if you like this video, please make sure you hit that thumbs up and also hit that like button down below, as both of those things truly do help us with the algorithms. And as we all know, the more people that we get onto this channel, the more people we can share these artists with. So again, it truly does help when you share these videos and when you like them. So speaking of that, please also make sure you share these videos, and as always, let's get into this. To be disowned, our currency is flesh and bone. Wow, and again, right from the beginning, you can absolutely see that Pink Floyd absolutely loves to entertain the audience, and it doesn't matter whether they're singing or whether they're leading up to singing, there's always something to entertain the crowd, so that is super cool. And again, David Gilmour doing an amazing job on vocals so far. Of course, it just started, but he's still doing an amazing job. The guitar sounds amazing. The drums from Nick Mason sound fantastic. The keyboards from Richard Wright always sound amazing. And again, the bass guitar sounding amazing with Guy Pratt. So again, fantastic job there. And I think every once in a while they have John Karen on keyboards also. So I don't know if he's out there right now. But again, they sound fantastic. And also the backup singers, Rachel Fury, Durga McBroom, and Maggie Taylor. Again, all three of them up there looking good, and I'm sure they're going to sound amazing. Let's keep going.
Don't know the way, sweet weed. One world, it's a battleground. One world, we gon' smash it down. One world, invisible transfers. Long distance calls, hollow laughter in marble halls. Steps have been taken, a silent uproar. Don't unleash the dogs of war. The cast iron has begun. Science seal, they deliver oblivion. To say the least, dealing in death is the nature of the beast. It's a battleground. One world, they will smash it down.
Wow, and again, David Gilmour sounding absolutely amazing. All three of the backup singers kicking in, sounding fantastic also. And yes, both of the keyboardists are out there doing a great job. And of course, the bass sounding amazing, the drums sounding fantastic. Again, all the way around, this just sounds amazing. Let's keep going. Wow. And again, then they bring out Dick Perry on the saxophone, sounding amazing. Again, David Gilmour on his guitar, sounding incredible. Nick Mason on the drums, doing a fantastic job. Richard Wright and John Karen, doing amazing jobs on both of the keyboards, sounding fantastic, and of course, rounding it out here on the instruments, Gary Pratt on bass, again, kicking butt. And then, of course, all three of the amazing backup singers, Rachel Fury, Durga McBroom, and finally, Maggie Taylor. All three of them doing an incredible job. I hope that's all three of them. I know they had a couple other people that were on the tour, so hopefully I'm not confused. I think the other people that they had, Lorelei McBroom and Roberta Freeman. So again, the three that are up here right now sound amazing, sound fantastic. Such a cool concert. Again, just totally full of entertainment. Let's keep going.
Dogs of war won't negotiate. Dogs of war won't capitulate. They will take and you will get. You stand so that they may live. You can now any dog. Wherever you go, know they've been there before. Winners you lose, please get it straight. Whatever you take to know the dogs remain. Warm up to battleground. Warm up, we gonna smash them down.
Wow. And again, you can tell the audience is just having a blast. Again, David Gilmour sounding absolutely incredible on his vocals and, of course, on his guitar, doing an amazing job. And the rest of the band is absolutely kicking butt. But it is so fun to watch those audience members and just see how much fun they're having. Incredible job. Let's take this all the way to the end. That is incredible, seeing that audience going nuts. Starting with David Gilmour doing an amazing job on the vocals and the lead guitar, sounding amazing. Then you got Nick Mason on the drums, kicking butt, sounding amazing. Both Richard Wright and John Karen, both on the keyboards, doing amazing. Guy Pratt on the bass, and then finally rounding it out on the instruments anyways with Dick Perry on the sax. And let me tell you, that guy is a ham, which is great. I mean, he is just up there having a blast and the crowd is loving it. So fantastic saxophone player, sounded great. And then again, on backup vocals, of course, the girls, you've got Rachel Fury, Durga Broom, and I believe it was Maggie Taylor. Again, they did awesome. The entire band sounded amazing, and the crowd absolutely incredible. Please do me a favor. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. I would love to know your thoughts about Pink Floyd, and of course, this song, The Dogs of War. I would definitely love to know what you think about it, as I thought they did an incredible job. And as always, don't forget to continue to take care of these artists, as that truly is the main thing we love to do. So please do all the things we talked about at the beginning of this video, as all of that will definitely help these artists. So please continue to do that. And to my TR family, just like at 65 ALEF, you guys are absolutely incredible, and I am truly, truly blessed to have each and every one of you in this TR family, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart for all the amazing things that you guys continue to do for this channel, giving us great music, great artists, and absolutely fantastic comments. So again, to each and every one of you, thank you. And to those of you who have not subscribed but you would like to become part of this TR family, we would absolutely love to have you. You know what to do. Hit that subscribe button down below or hit that join button. Either way, you too could become part of this amazing TR family, getting close to hitting 9,700 subscribers. Absolutely mind blown, but I thank you all from the bottom of my heart. And for those of you that haven't joined, come on over. We would love to have you. And as always, peace out. I love you all. Catch you next time.